Hello and welcome to another Titan Academy video. Today we are going to talk about sections. Previously we covered tables. Remember that tables are a feature that can be used to display a varying number of records. For example, a list of contacts that are related to an account. Now, imagine that you want to show the same thing, but instead of showing the data formatted in a table format, you want a more freehand or freestyle type format. For that, you would use a section. Click on the Insert Edit Section button. From here, you will choose your provider. We are going to choose Salesforce. The other two providers available are Titan Web and a Titan Submission. Those we will cover in later videos in the advanced section. Choose Salesforce, click Next, select your object. Let's say we want to show a list of cases related to an account. I'll pick the case object, and we'll give it a comment to help distinguish the purpose of this query. The varying options that you see under the comment field here, we will cover in the advanced course. For now, I'm going to leave those blank and click Insert. Great, so that just added a section here. Let's look at what we do now. Here, within this section field, we will add the merge fields that we want to bring in. So I'll remove the default text. We'll give ourselves a little more space within the section. And now we'll insert the fields that we want to display. We click Insert or Edit Field. And now we'll insert the fields that we want to display. Click Insert Field. Titan recognizes that this is a case query because we are within the case section that we just entered. So we'll pick some fields. Let's start with case number. In fact, I'm going to enter multiple fields here. Case number, subject, let's clean up our titles a little bit. And say we want to have these separated by a tab. Perhaps on the next line, we want the case creation date. So we'll go ahead and add that. I'll click Configure Format. We'll pick one of our predefined formats. We covered this in a previous video. And now in this section, you will have the case number and a subject on the first row, the created date on its own row. And let's add in one more field. Let's say we want to add in the case description. This is where use of a section is possibly good because case description is a long text area. There could potentially be a lengthy amount of text in there. And here, using a section, you can have it on its own line. This section will repeat for every case retrieved by our query. So if we filter the query to bring back cases associated with our account, if there are 4, then this section will repeat 4 times. And that is the basics of setting up a section. Thanks for watching.